So I've had a lot of questions and comments even up to yesterday on this lift jack, and I'm finally getting around to doing a new video on it. And it has been sitting out in the rain for this past year, so I definitely need to give it a little bit of care, a little bit of oil. I've had questions on how to put this together, and well, I've had a lot of questions. As for putting it together, it was pretty easy. The instructions on it kind of sucked, but these bars here, each side, you're going to connect them together with some bolts. And I don't have any footage of when I actually assembled it, but you're just going to slide them into this one, bolt it down. I've also had questions on how to put this in or how to set this up. So with this, what you're going to have to do is, well, right now everything is kind of rusted together, so I can't really take it apart to share. But you're going to take this rod and you're going to stick it in. There's a hole here. You want to make sure that this thing goes down over it. And there is this little deal here. You want to make sure that you put that in place so it's going to keep this from falling down. Mine did include the adapter for the drill. You're going to put your back wheels right over it. This bar here is going to keep it on when you tilt it and raise it upward. Now, I do get asked about oil and fuel and everything. What I try to do is I try to keep the fuel just a little bit lower when I am planning to do some maintenance on it. That way, when I tilt it, it's not going to be a big issue. The other thing is that I make sure that the filters and everything are on the other side. That way, I'm not tilting directly into that. Now I am going to give it a little bit of grease, at least down here. And all we got to do is connect a drill to this. Then all we got to do is use a drill to raise it up. I probably should have added a little bit more grease to this, but it is working. Oh, that's not situated correctly though. Now, I wasn't paying too much attention, and I set this up where my driveway slopes down, so it's not raising up enough with the deck like this, because it is hitting ground and everything over here, the wheel and stuff. But yeah, so I'll have to move it and do it again. But you can see how easy this is to raise up your mower. Saying that my property is a little uneven is kind of an understatement. But let's try it over here in this spot. Alright, so you want to be careful not to go too much. But you can see that you can get a pretty decent lift on one of these. And this allows me to get up under here a little bit easier, to get these blades off, sharpen them, replace them, whatever it is that I'm trying to do. And I do find it a lot easier than dropping the whole deck. So yeah, I could say for a couple of years that that's held up pretty well. It's been pretty good. I've used it. I definitely need to add a little more grease. All right, maybe that'll be a little easier to talk. I do need to grease it up a little bit. Overall, it has held up for a couple of years. It still works really well. I don't have any issues raising and lowering my mower as long as you're on pretty flat ground. It holds it up, no problems. It is pretty easy to put together. I know the instructions were kind of crappy. Hopefully my little explanation in the front helps with a couple of those things. But it wasn't a super expensive investment, and it is something that I actually use. guess what? I mentioned that that was stuck there in the beginning, and my drill was able to actually get it out. So it was just stuck in there with the rust. So all it does is just pops right down into that hole, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Raise it up with it inside. All right, so quick rundown. This side slides into this side. You just bolt each one. This here, what you need to do is you got to put the rod in here, but you need to make sure that it goes up underneath this piece here. So you're going to do that, pop it down, pop it down into that hole there. Well, if it will go, pop it down into that hole. I need to add a little grease. Like that. Pop this guy in like I mentioned earlier. And that's all you got to do to put this together. That's it. If there's any other questions, I'll try to answer them. But hopefully this quick update will answer a lot of those. Thank you for watching.